Hello, welcome to Projects with Money YouTube channel. This is a RFID access control door lock system using Arduino and RFID reader module. Let's have a demo for this project. When I scan the authorized tag, the solenoid door lock will open for few seconds and automatically it will close, and also we can able to see the access information in LCD display. For this project we need Arduino UNO, RFID RC522 breadboard, jumper wires, 12 volts adapter, solenoid lock, relay module. Subscribe and share the screenshot in my Telegram for free code and circuit diagram for this project, and if you want order the complete project along with components, contact me through call. Please help me to reach 5,000 subscribers, and thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in next one.